Factorize completely the expression h squared minus k squared minus p times h minus k. This is a multiple choice question, and so you will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The expression given to us is h squared minus k squared minus p times h minus k. H squared minus k squared is a difference of two squares. From algebra, we know that we can factorize it as h plus k in one bracket, then h minus k in another bracket. So our expression is now h plus k times h minus k minus p times h minus k. From algebra, we know that if we have an expression like a times x minus b minus c times x minus b, it is factorized as x minus b in one bracket, so we will pick one of the repeating factors, and then in the second bracket we will pick the term in front of the first bracket, which is a, and then the term in front of the second bracket, which is negative c. So this is factorized as x minus b times a minus c. If we apply this here, we can see that h minus k and h minus k are repeating. So in the first bracket, we are going to have h minus k. And then in the second bracket, we will pick what we have in front of the first bracket, which is h plus k. And then what we have in front of the second bracket, which is negative p. So in the second bracket, we will have h plus k minus p. So when we factorize this expression, we are going to have h minus k times h plus k minus p. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is D.